Today me and my class fellows are over here for our assignment presentation. Now I would like to call Bilal for recitation. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم أرأيت الذي يكذب بالدين فذلك الذي يدعو اليتيم ولا يحض على طعام المسكين فويل للمصلين الذين هم عن صلاتهم ساهون الذين هم يراءون ويمنعون الماعون صدق الله العظيم. To call Bilal for Hadith. Rayat for Hadith. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. قال النبي सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम आप सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने फरमाया है कि नमाज दीन का सुतून है. Quote of the day, I would like to call Manahil. Every new day offer an opportunity to improve. For word of the day, I would like to call Meerup. Word of the day is diligent. Means showing care and effort in one's work and duty. And at the last, me and my class fellows are over here for a presentation. Food before the bell. In the classroom, do not get. In the hallway, do not run. Make sure that your homework done. Tie your shoes and comb your hair. Don't start dancing on your chair. Don't draw pictures on the wall. Don't write escape on the wall. Don't chew bubblegum in grass. Do not bring bugs from grass. Don't say things you know are rude. Never ever throw your food. These are rules you should obey. As for me, I am sad to say that's a list of every rule I forgot today at school. Hope you like our present. Thanks.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Nice presentation just prepared by Ms. Hina for grade 3A students. It's very nice rules of the school. They just inform you, everyone knows about it. But the little boys and girls inform you again about this. So give a huge round of applause for them. Very important thing that we all are proceeding towards second formative exam. So all of you should be punctual and regular and don't try to be absent without any genuine reason. Jazakallah khair.